Well, would you look at that? Would you just look at that? There's snow all over the ground. And what the heck? It's like March right now where I'm at. I don't know if I would actually call this snow. This is more like thick rain. But it seems to be pretty popular to do these cold start videos. And this is about as cold as it gets here. So, I don't know, let's see if this thing will start up real quick. I mean, I don't see how this thing wouldn't start up. I mean, like, duh. These things always start up. But let's see if Moonbeam right there will start up. I haven't started her in about a week, or driven her in about a week. Last time I had to jump the battery. And I want to see if, oh, look at that. That's a nice one. Anyway, look how this stuff is layered on there. Look what it's done to my rose bush. I feel attacked. Alright, so there's only a couple things got to think about, and that's the battery. I did have to jump it last time. Drove it quite a bit. But the other thing is the gas. I know I was getting real low on gas last time. So let's see if there's enough in it to get it started right now. Alright, how many pumps should we do on this thing? Ah, that sounds about good. Clutch in. Key in. Right away, man. Right away. Look at that. This is pretty cool. Oh yeah. Gonna let it warm up a little bit. You know what? Maybe I should turn on the heater. There we go. I think that's good for me. I'm just a little impatient. I want to get driving in this stuff. Yeah, let's kick down that idle a little bit. Is she warm enough? Yeah. All right. Oh, dang. Snow's making everything wide out on the camera. All right, let's see what she does. Power steering seems to be a little louder than normal. I don't know, it's kind of an uneventful video. I mean, it started right up, and there's not really an empty parking lot to really do anything. It's all just slush. Being followed by a Tesla right now feels kind of weird. Is he gonna do anything? No, he's not gonna do anything. He's just parking. Well, we got a little slip and slide going there. That wasn't bad. It's hard to do this holding the camera and having a coffee in your lap. Like, why did I have to get the coffee first? Like, what the hell was I thinking? Alright, let's try to get sideways one time. I'll go all angled like this. Crank the wheel. And, well, that's about that's about the best I think I can do right now. That was fun. All right, well, she starts in the cold. She drops the slush real good. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. I'll do more goofy stuff like this. And there's a PayPal link down below if you want to donate to the channel. And keep looking for the next videos. Enjoy your day. I know I will.